Hi guys, so today we've got this one in, Vauxhall Vivaro with injector problems. It's the M9R engine, and what happens here, if you come and have a little look with me, because we live in Wales, rains like hell, this scuttle panel, underneath here, the rain congregates, slides straight down the little gap there, goes through the cheap Vauxhall seal and lands all in the engine, making a little pond in the injectors. And obviously, as they're electrical injectors, this is not good. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull the front off, get all of this out the way, start with the injectors, and then if we get a chance, we're going to seal up the scuttle panel to stop this happening in the future. Yeah, so today we're working on Vivaro injectors, the M9R engine, which is a pain in the ass. We've done two, but we should have resistance tested them first because the other two were showing absolutely abysmal resistance compared. So now we're going to change the other two over here. We've got the tool set up, if you want to have a look over here. Got the hole puller set up and a man-sized spanner on there. And we're going to just start to see if it's coming up at all. So it's happening. I'm going to take it off now. My concern is that as the injector is being pulled up, I obviously haven't removed this, and my gap in between the top of the tool and this is getting shorter and shorter. The injector almost moves by hand, so I'm going to take over and do it manually while I can still get the tool out of there, hopefully. Still tight. She's got to be out now, mate. Victory moment. Heavy. Look at that scum. And surprisingly, this wasn't working. One thing people struggle with these engines is the position, which is injector 4 and which is injector 1. Because in France, some say they label it the other way around. There's a lot of confusion. I've got the answer. What I did, I unplugged injector 1. They're all somewhat working, but they're all failing. So I unplugged injector 1. I got trouble codes, fault codes all over the dashboard. So when I plugged it in, it read injector 1. That would be the closest side to the belts, not the side from the gearbox. I then plugged it back in, wiped the codes, and I tested it again with injector 4, the one closest to the gearbox now. Unplugged that, same thing, warning lights all over the dashboard. When I read it, it said injector 4 problem. So definitively, for the British version, 1, 2, 3, 4.